Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. I am your maths teacher Anjali Daya. Let's start our topic lines and shapes. We eat many things every day. Guess and write the shape we see in some of them. This is in the shape of cube. This is in the shape of cone. This is in the shape of cuboid. This is in the shape of circle and this is in the shape of oval. Let's learn with fun. Take some bread slices and make yummy sandwich with an elder. Keep writing the shapes as you make them. Now, take 2 slices of bread and spread butter on their any one side. Keep a cheese slice on the buttered side of one bread slice and cover with the second slice. Your cheese sandwich is ready. Write its shape. It is in the shape of square. Now, cut the sandwich from the middle into 2 halves. Write the shape of each half, that is rectangle. Now, cut 1 half diagonally into 2 equal parts. Write the shape of each sandwich you get. It is triangle. Now, take one more sandwich of your choice. Take a small bowl. Keep it on the sandwich upside down and press it. Remove the bowl and the extra sides to get your sandwich. Which shape is it? It is circle. Enjoy your sandwiches with your family. Remember not to waste the sides you remove from the round sandwich. Eat them too. Now, straight and curved lines. We get straight lines when we hold a ribbon tight with both hands and stretch it. We get a curved line when we hold the ribbon loosely with both hands without stretching it. Now, write S for pictures with straight lines and C for pictures with curved lines. Now, A part, it is curved line. Now, B part, it is straight line. It is curved line. तो सेम मेथड को यूज करते हुए बाकी के पार्ट्स आप खुद ट्राई करेंगे. Now, next is read and draw. A part, draw lines to complete the figures. Write the name of the line you draw. First, curved, straight. Now, B part. See the given line. Draw a longer straight line above it and a shorter curved on below it. Now, longer and this is shorter. Now, think. Circle the things you can hold and stretch to make straight and curved lines. जिनको हम होल्ड कर सकते हैं और स्ट्रेच करके स्ट्रेट और कर्व लाइन बना सकते हैं. रूलर नहीं, रोप यस, वुडन स्टिक नो, इलास्टिक यस, कर्टन रोड नो, स्ट्रिंग यस, वॉकिंग स्टिक नोट, वूल यस, पेंसिल, क्लोथ स्ट्रिप यस. Now next is types of straight lines. There are 3 types of straight line: horizontal or sleeping line, vertical and standing line, slanting or sloping line. Now, circle the correct number and letter. A. Horizontal and vertical lines only. Horizontal and vertical lines only. This one and this one. तो सेम मेथड को यूज करते हुए बाकी के पार्ट्स आप खुद ट्राई करेंगे. Now, read, draw and color the object. A. With only horizontal and vertical line. तो यहाँ पे आप कोई भी ऐसा ऑब्जेक्ट बनाएंगे जो हॉरिजॉन्टल और वर्टिकल लाइन से बना है. जैसे हम बनाते हैं ये हाउस. वर्टिकल एंड हॉरिजॉन्टल लाइन से ये हमारा हाउस बन गया. और इसको हम क्या करेंगे? कलर करेंगे. तो सेम मेथड को यूज करते हुए बाकी के पार्ट्स आप खुद ट्राई करेंगे. नाउ नेक्स्ट इज प्लेन शेप्स. Flat shapes that we can draw only on paper are called plane shapes or 2D shapes. Now, the lines that form a plane shapes are called sides. The points where two lines meet is called the corner or vertex. Let's see some plane shapes. Now, first is square. These are the sides and these are the vertex. A square has 4 equal sides and 4 vertices. Now, this is a rectangle. These are 4 sides and 4 vertex. A rectangle has 4 sides and 4 vertices. Its opposite sides are equal. This is equals to this and this equals to this. Now next, this is a triangle. A triangle has 3 sides and 3 vertices. Its sides may or may not be equal. This is circle. A circle and an oval. This is an oval. Have only one curved side and no vertices. They go round and round. Now fill in the blanks. A part. A dash has 4 equal sides and 4 corners. A square. तो बच्चों सेम मेथड को यूज करते हुए बाकी के पार्ट्स आप खुद ट्राई करेंगे. नाउ नेक्स्ट इज थिंक थिंक थिंक. ए पार्ट. कैन अ सर्कल हाइड बिहाइंड एन ओवल ऑफ द सेम हाइट? कैन ए सर्कल हाइड बिहाइंड द ओवल? नो, सर्कल ओवल के पीछे नहीं छुप सकता क्योंकि ओवल हमारा थोड़ा सा ऐसे होता है और सर्कल हमारा गोल होता है. तो इट्स नो. तो बच्चों सेम मेथड को यूज करते हुए बाकी के पार्ट्स आप खुद ट्राई करेंगे. Now next is solid shapes. Shapes that are not flat are called solid shapes or 3D shapes. They have length, breadth and height. First, the outer surface of a solid shape is called its face. A face can be flat or curved. The place where two faces meet is called an edge. An edge can be flat or curved. Next, the point where two edges meet is called a corner or vertex. Now remember, plane shapes are flat shapes that can be drawn on paper and solid shapes have length, breadth and height. Now let's see some solid shapes with examples. First is cuboid. This is a cuboid. It has rectangular face. A cuboid has 6 faces. It has 12 edges and it has 8 corners or vertices. This is the face, this is the vertex and this is the edge. Take any one of these things that have a cuboid shape. Count the number of faces, corners and edges. तो आप कोई भी ले सकते हो, जैसे आप डस्टर ले सकते हो, पेंसिल बॉक्स ले सकते हो, बुक ले सकते हो, इरेजर. All are in the shape of cuboid. Now next is cube. This is a cube. ये हमारा क्या है? Cube. It is made up of squares. It has all square faces. A cube also have 6 square faces. It has 12 edges and it has 8 corner or vertices. Take any one of these things that have a cube shape. Count the number of faces, corners and edges. Rubik's cube, dice, block and chalk box. All these are in the shape of cube. Now next is cone. This is a cone. It has one flat face and one curved face. A cone has one curved face. It has 2 faces. One is curved, one is flat and it has one vertex. This is the vertex. Take any one of these things that have a cone shape. Count the number of faces, corners and edges. Birthday cap, ice cream cone, leaf and carrot. All these are in the shape of cone. Now next is sphere. This is a sphere like circle. जैसे आपकी बॉल होती है, it has one curved face. इसका एक ही curved face होता है. A sphere has no vertices. It has only one face which is curved. It has no edges. Take any one of these things that have a sphere shape. Count the number of faces, corners and edges. Your ball, orange, marble and balloon, all these are in the shape of sphere. Now next is cylinder. This is a cylinder like a glass or can. It has two flat faces and one curved face. ऊपर नीचे flat and this is curved. A cylinder has three faces, two flat and one curved. It has two curved edges and it has no corner. Take any one of these things that have a cylindrical shape. Count the number of faces, corners and edges. Cell, candle, drum and chalk. All these are in the shape of cylinder. Now write the names of these shapes. A part. First is cube. This is cone. This is cuboid. This is cylinder. And this is sphere. Now read the hint and write the name of the shape. A. It has all square faces. This is the cube. तो बच्चों सेम मेथड को यूज करते हुए बाकी के पार्ट्स आप खुद ट्राई करेंगे. तो बच्चों सेम मेथड को यूज करते हुए एक्सरसाइज आप खुद ट्राई करेंगे. आई होप आपको चैप्टर समझ आया. इसका रिवीजन आप खुद करेंगे.